So this will be my first attempt at posting regularly in the YouTube in the month of February. Now let's see how I fare. So this will be my first video, that is what I'll be reading in February, that is the February TBR, and what I'll be filming during the month of February and posting it on YouTube. I had a resolution while entering in the new year that I will be posting and being more active in YouTube, but I haven't done that in January. I just posted one video. So let's see how February goes. So let's talk about my February TBR first. I'll be putting up the graphics somewhere around here. There. So you can see what my books are that I'll be reading. Some of the books that were in my January TBR, they got slipped into February TBR because I couldn't finish those. I usually tend to make bigger and bigger TBRs, and I couldn't finish all those. I don't have that much time. So I read 7 books in Jan. So, and some of the books got like slipped into February TBR. So the first book that I read started in Jan, but I'll be finishing in February only. I'm at 80% of it. Onyx Storm is the book that I hate. I'm hating it. I just come out straight and I'll say I hate it, no matter how many people it will trigger. I love the lore and I love some of the characters, but most of it I'm hating it. I'm just reading it just to know or get to know what will happen next and what was Violet's signet. It is at 2 star currently, and the next book that I am reading is Ship of Magic. It also got shipped out of January TBR and into February TBR. I'm currently at 60 pages. Yeah, I was in a buddy read with one of my Bookstagram friend, but she was not feeling the fantasy vibes, or maybe a book slump happened for her. She couldn't read it. I'll start it again. I have read 60 pages and I haven't read further from there, but I'll read as there is one video planned in this month only for this book spoiler vlog. So I'll read it and I'll just write all these notes and come back to you for the spoiler filled discussion. Next book is Hunger Games. Now, Hunger Games, I haven't read the OG three novels. I've read the Ballad of the Songbird and Snakes, and I loved it. I loved Suzanne Collins' writing and how her characters are portrayed. She even made me like Snow for a while. We got to know how Snow became Snow. So that was really fascinating for me. I've watched all the movies, but I haven't read the first 3 books. And this one also is a buddy read with one of my Bookstagram friend, and I am currently at 60 pages, first 4 chapter, and I am just loving it. I know the plot, I know what will happen, but I still love it. And there are a couple of tidbits that are still in this book that I'm finding out that were not in the movies, like Katniss's father. There is much more description in here about the Hunger Game itself. There is much more in the books rather than in the movies. I'm loving it. Another book that got slipped out of January TBR into February TBR is A Game of Truth and Lies. Now, I have been saying it, I'll read this. It's an arc, and I am just skipping it and skipping it. I don't know why. But yeah, these 3 books are my final, Onyx Storm, Ship of Magic, and Hunger Game. After I finish these 3 books, I will get to this arc and another arc that I haven't finished, and I'll finish those first before moving on to any other book. That's it. That's my final decision and final warning for myself to finish these arcs. Come on, man. The second arc's name was Across the Great Ocean Awakening. I liked the first book of his, Across the Great Oceans, and I will like the second book also. For the Game of Truth and Light, it's the third book in the series, and the first 2 books were my favorite. It's a clean YA novel. I don't get to see clean YA novels anymore, so this was a rare find and really good read. And I am hoping to finish this month only these two books. After these two arcs, I have two romance books that another one of my friend recommended to me. It's part of a challenge for me, but they came at a really good time. Like, this is the romantic month, February, Valentine months and all that. So it's Funny Story and Lovely War by Julie Berry and Funny Story by Emily Henry, I think. Yeah, both of them have romance. Lovely War have much more fantasy element, Greek mythology, I think. And these two will be perfect for me to read in this romantic month or Valentine month. Like stated so many books already. It's like to 7 books have, and there are still more books in the TBR. Like I have Trials of Apollo, the Dark Prophecy. I have read the Hidden Oracle 2 times in previous year only. Every time I'm hoping to read the second book, I just can't. I just love the book, the first book so much. I've read it 2 times. Can you imagine? In a single year only. Now there were 4 more books in my list orthographic that were Jade War. I was thinking of doing a buddy read, but my buddy was not ready for it. Now she has a complaint for me that whatever I am recommending to her, she is reading, but I'm not reading her recommendations. So she's like, "You'll read my recommendation first, only then will I read ever. Will I read your recommendation ever?" So Jade War, and I'll be reading alone this month. If not, it will get shifted into the next month. And next one is The Tainted Cup. Its second book is getting released this year. I think I made a video, anticipated books of 25. It is there. I am forgetting the name. Corruption something. Yeah, Corruption something. So I'm excited to read this book, The Tainted Cup. People have raved about it many times. So I'll read this month only. And the next one is Poppy War. Now, Poppy War, people have said so many good things about it, and like many people who are not into fantasy also, yeah, it's heartbreaking, and it is an academy setting, I think. Right. The last book that I have on my February TBR is The Hobbit. When I searched for The Hobbit, I didn't know it had another name. The or in the page, the cover had like The Hobbit or There and Back Again. Like I didn't know that There and Back Again was the subtitle in the book's title. Now that's a good find, but I have like really loved the movies. I have watched all 3 movies, all 4 movies, I guess. 4 or I'm not sure. The Hobbit and the OG LOTR, Lord of the Rings. But books, I have never gotten a chance to read those, and I would love to read Hobbit in this month only, but I have kept it so far behind because I'm certain, or maybe that it will slip into March TBR, but I'll still keep it in this month's TBR in the hope that I finish all the book previously stated and I'll get to this book. Okay, so that is all for my February TBR. Now, what I'll be filming and uploading to YouTube, I have created a like calendar type graphics. I'll put it up here. He'll see. So first, this video will come on the Tuesday itself. That is the February TBR and what I'll be filming for YouTube. And next, I'm going with the format of Tuesday, Thursday every week. I'll film on Saturday, Sunday, and edit it on Monday or Saturday, Sunday itself, and then post it on Tuesday or Thursday. So that will be my plan. Now, I have gotten this plan from another one of booktuber that I follow, and I just love her content. Really love her. And the way she speaks, her recommendations and all that. Murphy Napier. Now, go follow her if you want. She's like really good. Why on her recommendation, her choices of books are so like widespread and all that. You'll love her. Just go follow her and look through her videos. So the first one is the February TBR and what I'll be filming this month, and the second one that is will be going on Thursday is my January wrap up. Now January wrap up is a little bit old. Like January has gone, so and so many days have passed, but still the January wrap up I'll post it. There will be some spoiler discussion of the books I read, and but yeah, that's what I want my YouTube channel to be. The place where I can spoil books and talk about them at length. Cause when I was in Instagram, I just can't talk in that 1 minute and 30 seconds. I just can't talk about books. I mean, I want to talk books, I want to talk scenes, I want to talk characters, what happened to those characters. I just want to talk or discuss, spoil. I love spoilers, but I also want some proper discussion. Do you get me? I'm not sure. Okay. So third video will be recommending book series that I have already read. Means I've read many book series or books that are kind of series but they are standalone itself. I'll post about those. The fourth video that I'll be posting is in keeping in mind this is the romantic or Valentine month. It will be my video about my favorite couples in the fiction world. I get excited by reading about those couples. So I'll be talking about those couples. Fifth video for YouTube will be the book recommendation that I haven't read. But they are on my eyesight and I feel like they will be good. So those are just wild videos. Sixth book is the Ship of Magic vlog, spoiler vlog video, which I talked about when I was stating that Ship of Magic is in my favorite TBR. The seventh book video will be my March TBR and what I will be filming and posting in YouTube for March. The last for the month will be for the this month's wrap up, that is February's wrap up, what I have read in February and how I felt about those books. Spoiler again. Now I've said so many times spoiler. I'm just really excited to discuss with you and talk about what books I'll be reading or what books I have read and spoil it for you.